This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग।
आज का जो थीम है वो काफ़ी यूनिक है, क्योंकि ये जो थीम है वो हम बार बार तो नहीं करते हैं, नॉट वेरी ऑफन, वंस इन अ वाइल, बिकॉज इट्स रादर स्पेशल। किसी ने इन्हें नॉमिनेट किया है और जिन्हें नॉमिनेट किया है वो आज शो पर मौजूद है। इनका नाम है पल्लव जैन फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव। पल्लव हैज नो क्लू हु हैज नॉमिनेटेड हिम। दिस इज गो एमएमटी रेडियो। आई एम योर होस्ट एनी। इट्स कॉल्ड बड़े वाले कोलीग। पल्लव, अ वार्म वेलकम टू द शो।
Thanks, Annie. It's wonderful to be here.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है आपको जानकर कि आपको किसी ने नॉमिनेट किया है?
Of course, I mean, I'm first of all honored and I'm grateful, and I would really like to know who is this person.
दिल थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि इतनी जल्दी तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील। थोड़ी देर बाद ही हम रिवील करेंगे। वील प्ले सम सॉन्ग रिक्वेस्ट, वील प्ले सम गेम्स, वील गेट टू नो यू अ लिटिल बेटर। हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन विद एमएमटी?
It's been almost 3 years now. Incredible time here.
Yeah, so you've been enjoying your time and you plan to keep on staying committed, huh?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if you get opportunities where you learn a lot plus have a great contribution to the business, I think anybody will stay motivated.
That's good. So I guess travel is something that has always been in your life too. You've been traveling quite a bit.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's my escape from normal reality.
Oh, that's good.
हंसा, बिल अपलोड करने का टाइम मिला क्या?
डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी दोनों के लिए नो कैपिंग। अगर वॉलेट में 5,000 रुपये हैं तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है। कर लो जल्दी। रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो खुला है सिर्फ 1 अगस्त से 15 अगस्त तक।
15 दिन? साउंड्स लाइक अ प्रोजेक्ट डेडलाइन। मिस नहीं करना।
जेटली ऑनलाइन ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और पैसा वापस लो।
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना। स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो। ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा। लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो।
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग।
On the show Bade Wale Colleague, it's Pallav Jain who's joined me from Gurgaon. He's in the online marketing department. इन्हें किसी ने nominate किया है, वो कौन है ये मैं बाद में बताऊंगी. Right now it's time to play a quiz, but before that tell me what is very unique about your job at MMT that you thoroughly enjoy, Pallav?
I think I have always loved to solve new problems, and being in a OTA organization, I feel that every day is a new challenge, and every day presents a new problem, because at the end of the day we are serving users' needs and user behavior keeps changing. So that I think gives me the kick, like every day, like something new each and every day.
Oh, that's interesting. Are you now ready for the Bollywood quiz that you've picked because you feel you're better at Bollywood?
Yeah, let's hope so. Fingers crossed.
Who directed the film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge?
Karan Johar?
Ah, no, he was assisting.
Oh, okay. I have no clue.
One more guess.
Okay.
Come on, one more try.
Ashutosh Kuvarikar, maybe. I don't know.
No, it's Aditya Chopra.
Oh, damn. Okay.
We're moving on. Who sang the song Tum Hi Ho from the film Ashiki 2?
This guy, what's his name? Arijit Singh, right? No.
No, it is Arijit Singh. You were thoroughly confused,
Yeah.
and I thought it was good to kind of keep playing you.
The silence confused me.
Yeah, see? Who directed the film Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Karan Johar. Yeah, Karan. This time I think it's definitely Karan.
Absolutely right. Which actor played the role of Baji Rao in the film Baji Rao Mastani?
Baji Rao Mastani, Ranveer Singh.
Yes, it is absolutely right. Well, I think except for one or two, which again, actually just one, you've got all the others right. Well done, Pallav.
Great, yeah, thank you. Thanks for building my confidence in the later part.
Okay, now let's talk about travel. You've traveled quite a bit yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah, some of the places that you've ticked off on your bucket list. Give me the names of two places.
I think the top one is easily like which was like a 1 year stint when I was studying outside. I went on a trip with my friends in the southern part of Spain to
Nice.
Malaga, Marbella, and Nerja, and Valencia, and all these places across the coast of Spain. That was
that's
like
beautiful.
the best trip of my life. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, and the second would be I did a trip with my graduation friends to like the whole of North India. We went Himachal, Uttarakhand, and a lot of other places. That was like a week-long trip. It's I think the second most memorable trip of my life. So yeah, I think the trips with my friends have been one of the.
That is simply beautiful. It's nice to have friends, and recently we've also celebrated Friendship Day. So I think it's been a boon for all those who can say that they have got friends who are friends for life, right?
Yeah, and plus Spain is beautiful, so that works out really well.
I agree. Well, we're going to slip into a song, come right back and continue our conversation. And maybe time to reveal who has actually nominated you. Don't go anywhere. Bade Wale Colleague with Pallav Jain, who's from the online marketing department based out of Gurgaon. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. Stay tuned.
रवि, I need meds. A live wallet का सीन क्या है?
सीन फुल सॉर्टेड, बस डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए और अब किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से ले सकती हो, इवन द वन नेक्स्ट टू द चाय पॉइंट.
Love that for me. Adulting just got easier.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए.
नैना, मैं गॉसिप करना चाहता हूँ, कैफेटेरिया में खाना चाहता हूँ, ऑफ साइट पर भी जाना चाहता हूँ, बट काम नहीं करना चाहता. क्या करूँ?
That was fun! Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग.
It's Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, and today it's a special show, बड़े वाले कॉलीग. एंड बड़े वाले कॉलीग आज हैं पल्लव जैन. इन्हें किसी ने नॉमिनेट किया है. ये जो है गुड़गांव से है, कह सकती हूँ इन्हीं के टीम से है, जो कि मैंने उनको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. Okay, now before I actually play out the voice of the person who's nominated you, let me once again ask you, how has travel changed your life, Pallav, personally speaking?
I think it has helped me with new perspective. Like when I traveled outside, I was in a situation where I was looking for good internships and I was getting a hard time there. But once I went on that trip, I understood there's like much more to life. So I think travel gives me perspective. That is like a great thing that travel does for you.
Nice. I think you have been waiting impatiently to know who's nominated you.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so here is the voice.
Hi everyone. I'm Anjali and this is my first thank you message to my life's first manager, Pallav. I joined the CLM team for Go Ibibo just 6 months ago, my first job ever, and it's been quite a learning journey. When I started, everything felt new and sometimes overwhelming. But Pallav just didn't teach me about work, but he showed me how to make an impact, deliver results, and stand out. I really appreciate your talent for patiently answering my doubts, even when I asked the same questions multiple times. And all the life advices that you give. It's not just helpful, but it really makes me think differently and gives me a fresh perspective. Looking back, I'm really grateful to have you as a manager who guides with both wisdom and a good sense of humor. It's been a great start to my career because of you.
वाह वाह, कैसा रहा ये सरप्राइज?
Wow, this is quite surprising. I mean, especially the part about being patient. I'm somebody I think I was not that patient. So that's
Which means she caught you at the right times.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, luckily for her, you were in a good mood every time she caught you with the same questions over and over again, like she said.
guess we interact more in the first half, so because of that, the second half is more torturous.
There it is. You are the bade wale colleague because Anjali thinks that you have been just the kind of manager that anyone, usually and everyone, when they start off a job at a new place, expects their seniors to be, who will, guide them, direct them, not bully them. In fact, kind of understand that the growth story is so important, especially in your initial days at a company. So well done, Pallav. Congratulations.
Wow, and I want to say thanks to Anjali. I guess she spoke quite a few good things about me, and it's great to know that whatever learnings or whatever interaction we've had, it's productive and it's positive. I think that's more important. The feedback has to be constructive, not demotivate someone. So I guess that worked out. Thank you, Anjali.
रवि बिल अपलोड्स किए क्या?
ऑलमोस्ट फॉरगॉट. रीएम्बर्समेंट विंडो ओपन है. सिर्फ 1st of August से 15th of August तक. सबमिट बिफोर डेडलाइन और क्राई लेटर.
Say less. I'm uploading now. A live app, FTW.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया. 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग.
On the show on Go MMT Radio, the theme today is बड़े वाली colleague और इन्हें nominate किया था अंजलि कुमारी ने पल्लव जैन को in the online marketing department. Both of them are based out of Gurgaon. Are you ready for this last segment, Pallav?
Yes.
But you have to get as creative as you can. Can you do that for me?
Yeah. I'm in marketing. I have to be creative.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
What is the opposite of day?
Switch.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
I am.
Oh, what do we sleep on at night? What is the earth shaped like?
I think it's zigzag. That's what I last saw.
Okay. Interesting. Oh, that's what you last saw. Interesting. What sound does a dog make?
I think they talk quite sweetly. I think they speak French.
What do you use to brush your teeth?
Soap, I think. Lifebuoy soap is the best thing.
Oh, okay. That is graphic. What is the capital of India?
It's definitely Gurgaon.
Yes. What do cows drink?
Red Bull.
Oh my God, I wish. What is water made of?
I think mango juice. Yeah.
What do you do with a book?
I usually tear it apart.
And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
I see Superman, Batman, Iron Man.
Oh, all the superheroes packed into one is Pallav Jain for sure. Thank you so much. You did really well. I hope you enjoyed too.
Yeah, it was great. I think I enjoyed a lot.
This has been a very special day for you, Pallav, because you've been nominated by Anjali Kumari. It's a nice feeling to know that somebody thinks that you are worth the title. And it also gives you sort of more confidence that yes, you can guide and manage people and take things forward.
Definitely. It gives me a lot of confidence in doing more mentorship. I've thought about it for a very long time, and I think this is a good start, I guess.
Absolutely. All the very best. You are committed, and I'm sure you're looking at to do a lot more at MMT. So best wishes for everything you've planned.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much.
Pallav Jain, the Bade Wale colleague on Go MMT Radio today. Yes, that was the special theme. And with that, it's a wrap. This is your host, Annie, signing off. Don't forget to keep logging into your travel log. It's just an amazing thing to do, I feel. I will catch you again on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, stay cheerful.
Go MMT Radio. Channel your creativity and caring to bring a smile to your customer today. Hello, I am Prakash Sangam and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Heads and go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.